In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DocuSign for contracts. DocuSign is a powerful tool for managing documents and collecting signatures electronically, making it easier to handle contracts without the hassle of printing and scanning. Let's dive into the process step by step. To get started, begin on your DocuSign homepage. This is where you can access all the available features, but for our task today, you want to head over to Browse All Templates. This is a centralized location that gives you access to every template you might need for your contracts. From pre-designed options to custom templates, it's all there. Once you've clicked on this option, you'll be taken to a new page displaying various templates. Now aim towards the section titled My Templates. Here, you'll find a collection of any templates you've previously saved or utilized. Browse through this list and select the template that best suits the contract you wish to create. Once you've found your desired template, click on it to highlight it, and then hit the Add Selected button. If you're starting with a brand new document, you can upload the file right from your computer at this point. Just ensure that your document is finalized before uploading to avoid multiple revisions later. After uploading or selecting your template, you'll need to enter the specific recipient information. This means typing in both the name and the email address of each person who needs to interact with the document. Attention to detail here is crucial, as any mistakes could delay the entire signing process. After entering this information accurately, take a moment to personalize the email that will be sent. The default subject line works, but sometimes it's effective to tailor it to better reflect the nature of the contract. Similarly, personalizing the email message can give it a professional touch, helping you to communicate clearly and effectively. With these steps complete, you'll find yourself ready to move on to the final stages. DocuSign will prompt you to place fields on the document. This includes placing fields like the recipient's name, email, phone number, and signature. Simply drag and drop these onto their designated spots within the document. There is flexibility here to match the fields perfectly to your document's layout. Once everything is in place and looks good, go ahead and hit Send. You're now done on your end, and it's just a matter of waiting for the other parties to complete their portion of the signing process. Remember to follow up if there are any delays. And that's it. By following these steps, you can efficiently use DocuSign to manage your contracts with ease, ensuring a smooth and paperless process every time. Thank you for tuning in, and see you next time.